Officio uses a simple user interface organized by tabs, so you can access information more quickly. To access your clients, simply click on the Clients tab. On the left, you can see a listing of your clients. When you start Officio, this list includes the last 50 clients accessed. When you do a search, this list will contain your search result. You can access a client by clicking on it. On the right, you can see the complete client's profile, including the client's reminders, notes, forms, documents, and accounting data. All the data that you see here is specific to the active client that you see on the screen. Client profile is organized into several sections. Here you can access personal info, dependents info, staff responsible, immigration file details, permanent residency, and various other sections. To add a new client, simply click on Add New Client and enter basic information of the client, including the spouse's name and children's names. If you have defined different offices, it's important to specify which office this client belongs to. This will help Officio control the access rights for this client. For example, if you use the assistance of overseas agents, you can choose your agents to see their clients only without seeing any other clients. We'll talk about access control in more detail in the admin section of this program. Once you're done with your data entry, click on Save to save this client. A message will appear on the screen confirming that the client was successfully saved, and it will prompt you if a welcome message needs to be sent to the client. Upon saving, Officio automatically creates a user ID and password for your new client and will wait for your confirmation to send this information to them. You can choose from the list of available welcome messages to send to your clients. You'll be able to customize this welcome message in the Template section of Officio. To read notes specific to this client, click on the Notes tab. Here, you can read all the notes placed for the client. To add a note, simply click here. You can write a summary of your discussion with your client or write a file status update here. Since your clients can have limited access to their profile, you can choose to make your notes visible or not visible to them. Keeping track of important dates and deadlines is very important in an immigration practice. In Officio, reminders will keep you up to date. In fact, we've mixed the concept of reminder and task management in one place. Here, you can write the subject of a reminder and assign it to yourself, which becomes a simple reminder, or you can assign it to another user in the office that becomes a task to them. You can have your reminders to be due on a specific date, or you can have the reminders due in a specified number of days in the future. For example, you can choose to be reminded in 60 days. The software automatically calculates 60 days from today. You can also set the reminders based on some other events. For example, you can set the reminder to be due 45 days before medical expiry date. You may not even have the medical expiry date yet in the profile at this time, but you can set the reminder, and whenever you update the profile with the medical expiry date, the software will calculate the reminder date for you. And again, you can make this reminder to be visible to your client or not visible to them. Now that we've covered the basic client management features, please make sure to watch the video tutorial on how to manage forms.